Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video review I want to talk about Syndicator. Okay, the ticker is CND. Alright, so this one is against Bitcoin pair, so CND with Bitcoin pair. Alright, so Syndicator, I've been hearing about Syndicator for last few days actually, and seems like there have been a lot of movement going on in last 24-48 hours in Syndicator, right? So Syndicator, I'm looking at the 24 time frame, and we had a reversal signal back on January 17th. All right, so January 17th we had a reversal signal on the daily time frame. As you can see, there was a bullish uptick that came, and since then we broke that bullish uptick, and now it went all the way up. It broke the all-time high, previous all-time high, and then it's trying to push it to a new all-time high right now. So the question is, should you be buying Syndicator? Should you be investing money in Syndicator right now? So in my opinion, I would not be starting a new position in Syndicator right now. A couple of reasons on that. So let me this is a daily time frame. All right, so if you look at the RSI, it's very oversold. Overbought. So it's extremely overbought on the daily. Second thing, if I go to the smaller time frame for the 4 hours, it's trying to push up. All right, it's trying to push it up to the all-time high, but the volume is not supporting right now. The volume is not rising. We want to see a rising volume if we want to make another all-time high. But that's not happening right now. So I personally wouldn't be starting a new position. If I was looking at Syndicator, I think there are plenty of opportunities out there that you can make a lot of money on, and Syndicator for me is not one of them, at least for right now. That doesn't mean that fundamentally something is wrong with a Syndicator. That doesn't mean that it's a good buy when it's pulled back. I'm just giving you a scenario of current situation as of January 19th around noontime Eastern. All right, that's what I'm telling you, because I see a lot of people are chatting about it, a lot of people are talking about it. So I just want to kind of give you a new investor like you not to buy into hype. All right, our goal is not to buy into hype, and like get burned like a lot of people did when they buy around this price action, and then all of a sudden it tanks, and you're the one holding the bag with 50% loss, 100% loss. A lot of people have suffered those losses. So I want to educate you in a sense that don't buy the hype. Be a smarter investor out there. There are a lot of people who are trying to pump it up and then dump at the all-time high, because this is a very new thing. Cryptocurrency trading is very new thing, and a lot of people don't understand that. There are a lot of people who simply just don't understand that, and there are people who take advantage of this kind of things. That they're taking advantage of smaller retail traders who simply just heard it from their coworker or heard it from their buddy. Hey, Syndicator is great. I just doubled my money in 24 hours, and next thing you know, they try to figure out how to buy Syndicator at all-time high. All right, that's not wise. That's not good. All right, you want to be an educated investor. You want to be an educated trader, where you buy at the price action where it will make you profit. This is not the price action, in my opinion, that will make you profit. Look at this MACD. It's a very further report, and so I have a feeling in a couple of days it might turn back. All right, there will be a pullback in Syndicator. I would not be touching Syndicator right here. That does not mean that it does not have a good fundamentals. So let's take a look at the fundamentals for Syndicator. What is Syndicator, and what is the problem they're trying to solve, or what is the value they're trying to provide? So Syndicator, their market cap is around $300 million right now. So it's fairly low. They do have a decent volume. As you can see, the actually volume is quite high right now, just because there is a lot of chatter going on. People are pushing it up, so volume is quite high. Circulating supply is billion plus, all right, and the total supply is 2 billion. So there are a lot of syndicator coins out there. So as you can see, there are billion plus circulating supply. So let's look at and where can you trade. So you can trade it on Binance. You can trade on HitBTC. So those are the platforms that you can trade syndicator. So I was looking at their website, just wanted to kind of get a feel of syndicator team and what exactly they're trying to solve. So here's the team, syndicator team. So there are a bunch of guys who are trying to analyze the cryptocurrency price, the market, and overall like the price actions. It's a hybrid intelligence for effective asset management. So what does that mean? So basically they are doing providing analysis, technical analysis on the on the predictive analysis on on cryptocurrencies. That's what they're trying. They have a bot. Currently, Syndicator Bot 1.0 is a system that works with predictive analysis, data, and market indicator powered by hybrid intelligence to support traditional and crypto financial market analysis. So it's similar to a trading bot that kind of takes a lot of the data, all the cryptocurrency market data, analyze it, and then provides whether it's a good buy, if it's a good sell. So it's something like I said, trading bot, or a predictive bot, if you can call it that. So you can read more about it on the fundamentals of Syndicator. Watch a video on it, look at the team, what kind of people who are behind the screen on Syndicator. Those are things that you should do your own research on. I looked it up from the just briefly from the overview, and it seems okay. I mean, it's one of those, I mean, I just feel like this kind of things will keep on coming. This kind of project like syndicators will keep on coming. So I don't think it's very unique in a sense that it's solving a problem that is not too many people are thinking about. This is just taking the pattern from, or taking the strategy right out of the stock market book. A lot of people in stock market also do this kind of analysis and predictive analysis. So it's nothing new in my opinion. At least I could be wrong, but you should do your own research. But for a fundamental standpoint, I think there is still, I'm not completely sold on what they're trying to solve here. That's just my opinion. I haven't done a deep dive on the fundamentals, so take it with a pinch of salt. All right. So that's pretty much Syndicator for you. For fundamentally, the team seems okay. The value they're trying to provide, I don't think it's very unique in a sense. I think there is a lot of other people who will come into the market and provide this collective intelligence platform if there is not already out there. I have a feeling there is a lot of things that will come in that will provide similar type of analysis and similar type of projects. So all in all, I think it's okay. Coming back to the price action, it's quite overstretched. All right, don't be one of those guys who are buying at all-time high. You will get burned. All right, so just be a smarter trader out there. The price action is getting pushed on the lower volume on the upside. I'm not a fan of that. So if you really believe in this project, if you think this might go further up, then wait for a pullback. You never get hurt waiting for a pullback. And if you're already in Syndicator, then if you already made your 100%, 200% in Syndicator, then take those profits. Get your initial investment out. All right, you never get hurt when you take your initial investment out. Once you make your 1x, 2x profit, that's something. There's an old saying in the stock markets is like, bulls make money, bears make money, and hogs get slaughtered. So don't be a hog, all right? Don't be a hog. There will be plenty of opportunity in the market. I can promise you that. One thing I can promise you is there is always going to be opportunity in the market to make profits, all right? So this is not the first one. This is not the last one. There will be plenty to come. As long there is like, people wants to have a trade, as long people willing to like, take risk. So don't be a hog. If you already made money on it, then take your initial profit out of it, initial investment out of it, and let play with the house money. Okay, so that's my take on syndicator. I hope this helped. I hope you learned something today. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. I will be doing more content review for you every day, so please stay tuned. All right, thank you.